Okay, I'm back. Wanted to do a quote-unquote live unboxing. Got another delivery of precious metals today. Been a long couple weeks for me at work. I'm losing my voice, so I'll try to keep it short and sweet. If you look over here, I filmed a video on my copper coin collection, but I didn't like the way it came out because if you can notice, there's a lot of coins, and the video took forever. I've got to see if maybe there's some kind of shorter edit I can make, or if I could break these down into some groups to make it shorter. But it's just a kind of a sneak preview. I do like to get some copper coins now and then, so maybe we'll revisit that later. But for now, we got this. This came from Silver Gold Bowl. It came in a bag from the post office, or FedEx actually. But you know what? It sounds a little loose. I'm a little worried. Hopefully it's packed properly. Although I've had issues from Silver Gold Bowl. It's just they usually have good prices, so I typically come back. Anyways, there might be like a receipt. Let me just check in here. Yeah, I think it's on the bottom. Alright, I'm just gonna carefully remove that so you can't see my address. Alright, let's take a look. Now, I know basically what's in here, but some of it's a bit of a surprise. Alright, looks like they decided to put most of it in tubes. So that's okay. Now, what I did, unfortunately, I had to spend $1,000 to get the tax break, which I absolutely hate that law. Prefer to buy smaller increments. But I hate to give the state my tax revenue, too. Anyways, let's cut these open and have a look. Try not to cut my finger off, but you never know. It's risky on camera when you're rushing with a scalpel sharp blade. Yeah, they really tape these on good. I need a pry bar almost. Bring out a stronger blade. This one's got a little more pry bar capability on it. And some of these containers are pretty serious. Alright. Come on. These foam peanuts can be annoying. Alright, now I'll preface it now because I don't know which tube it's in. Most of it, like I said, I know what I got. I did get random year maples. A lot of the ones I've gotten recently have been new. So if that's the case, that'll be good. There won't be any milk spots and they were the cheapest maples. But you never know. Might get lucky. Might get some older maples that don't have milk spots. And I guess I lose the lottery if I get maples with milk spots. But let's take a look. You know what? I'll put on some gloves here. Alright, these are generics, looks like. Some nice, some nice Silvertown Buffaloes. The herd. Look good. Check out his lips. What does that remind you of? Now these are pretty nice. Silvertown is pretty good quality. As we know, they make a lot of coins for other groups and even countries, I think. Alright, let's see how long this one takes me to crack open. Trying to be somewhat careful. Pry it up. Just a little bit annoying. Alright, let's see what this one is. Ooh, these are maples. They look new. They look nice and new. So I think I got a good deal on them. And that was just something I noticed. A lot of these retailers right now, if you're buying the random year maples, I think it's true. A lot of people are not selling their silver. So, you know, a lot of what these retailers have in stock is mostly new stuff. Let's see what year it really is. 2018. And I do believe that was the first year they started the mint shield, I'm hoping. Pretty sure it was 2018. Oops, take off one glove here. They look pretty good. They're a little bit older. Now maybe somebody sold these ones back, but you know what? I lucked out. I just snuck in and got the first year of the mint shield. And you know what? Now that they've added the mint shield, I absolutely love them. They used to be kind of a weak, shaky link with all the milk spotting, but hard to beat them. Very nice. I'm not crazy about the radial on the surface. That I could leave, but otherwise they're nice. And maybe we'll get a new monarch soon. But, alright, yeah. Nice. Some of those nice maples. A lot of people really like the leaf. Yeah, it's alright. But, anyways. Alright, this one barely has anything in here. I don't know why, whatever this is, why they put it in a tube. Should have put these ones, probably, in flips. Alright, man, peanuts. Darn foam peanuts, man. They just make a heck of a mess, but you know what? Keeps the coins secure. There was a little rattling, but this is a lot better than having them smash around. Oh, nice. So I ordered a couple of these. Check that out. Oh yeah, these are nice. Look at that. They've got the radial, just like a maple. Silver squeeze. Very cool. I had an older Wall Street Bet silver round, but this I like. This is Wall Street silver. They look pretty good. I'm not positive who makes these, but I think they had Silvertown making their 10-ounce bars, so probably Silvertown. A little hard to get a nice image on it, but yeah, it's pretty good. Got a couple bars. Very cool. That is nice. So I guess I think it was 5 of those. I think I paid around $27 on those. Alright, what else do we got? It's the last, yeah, it's the last tube. Alright, so these, I thought I got more of these, but maybe not. Alright. Hopefully these aren't milk spotted either. But, some Krugs. Some Krugs. Very nice. I think it's about 10 of them. Take a look at a few of these. They look good at first glance. You know, when the South African Mint, or whoever makes these, I feel like it's a little bit of a gray area, but when they do the job right, these are beautiful. I love it. Those denticles right around the edge. 2022. It's got that micro lettering on the background of the African plain. Nice matte finish. Sometimes the finish varies just a little bit. You know, the matte, if it's a little more polished or not, different years, but wonderful. And it's just nice to get a different face. South Africa. And these are a nice bullion coin. When they're not milk spotted, they are something else. Definitely like those. And they look good. They're worth face value, R1, 1 rand. Not a lot of money. I think that might be like 10 cents or something. That's kind of funny. Alright, I think there's not much left. There might be like 1 or 2 coins in here. Okay. Yeah, looks like I had a lot of variety in here. They really put a lot of tape on these. Alright. So I added 1 eagle, because these are very overpriced. And honest to God, the problem with the eagles is that the U.S. Mint is not making enough to meet demand. Period. The end. If they were, they'd be reasonably priced. But demand far exceeds what they're minting. A little half ounce. And then it looks like 2 Britannias. 2022s probably. Hopefully those aren't milk spotted either. But all in all, I think it was a nice haul. Got some good coins there for sure. Adding to the stack. Next to my copper stack. But you know what? These are some interesting copper coins. But I just don't know how to break up the video on all of these. Cool coins. Look at this French one. Anyways, I'll let it go there, and we'll talk to you guys on the next one. Take it easy and keep stacking. Like the video if you can. Leave a comment or a question. Tell me if you want me to make a video on the copper. Alright, catch you later.